Over the last year, I sold paid advertising to hundreds of different local businesses. These are dentists, plumbers, HVAC, salons, on how to walk into a room and get a business owner to write me a check. But here's the problem nobody talks about. The second they stop running ads, I stop getting paid. There's no recurring revenue, no real business, just constant hustle to replace whoever just churned. So I'm building something different, and I'm going to document every single step of it on this channel starting today from zero. So my name's Noah, and I'm not going to pretend that I've already figured this out. I don't have any real GoHighLevel clients just yet, but what I do have is over a year of experience sitting face to face with local business owners, learning exactly what they care about and what makes them buy. And I think that's the edge that most people are missing in this space, because most GoHighLevel creators, they learn this stuff from other YouTube creators. They've never actually sold anything to a real business owner in person. They've never heard the real objections, the real hesitations, and the real reasons why a business owner either says yes or no. But I have hundreds of times over. So I'm using that to build something real, and I'm going to be doing it on this channel over the next 6 months. So here's the deal I'm making with you right now. My goal is $10,000 a month in monthly recurring revenue within 6 months. I'm going to be documenting everything: the outreach, the cold calls, the rejections, the first client, first month of real recurring revenue, what works, what doesn't. And when I hit 10K, you'll see exactly how. And if I don't, that honestly might be even more valuable to you, because you'll see exactly why. So you'll see there's going to be no highlight reel, just the absolute real thing. Here's something that I learned by selling paid ads to hundreds of local businesses that nobody talks about on YouTube. Local business owners don't care about software, they don't care about GoHighLevel, and they really don't even care about AI. They care about one thing: not losing money they're already supposed to be making. So when I used to pitch paid ads, the ones that were closing weren't the ones that I was explaining targeted ads or cost per click to. They were the ones that felt like I knew what I was talking about and could help them understand how paid ads would help them make more money. And that framing hits completely different than you should run meta ads or you should run Google ads. GoHighLevel is actually way easier to sell than paid ads because the result is immediate and it's tangible. An AI receptionist that answers the phone and books the appointments, something a business owner can actually see in the first week of using it. It's very different from, trust me, your ads are working, just wait 90 days for the data. So I'm not going into this pitching software. I'm going in pitching a problem that I already know they have and showing them the system that fixes it. So that's the playbook. Let me show you what I'm actually selling. So the core package I'm leading with has two pieces. One is an AI receptionist that answers calls 24/7 and books appointments directly to their calendar. And two is automated review requests that go out after every job or appointment. And I'm going to package this at anywhere from $300 to $500 per month. So to hit $10,000 a month, I need at least 33 clients over 6 months, which is roughly 5 to 6 clients per month. Now, is that realistic? I genuinely am very confident it is. I've never sold this specific thing before, but I know I can get in front of business owners and I know I understand their problems. The question is whether this offer closes faster, holds longer, and actually stacks into recurring revenue the way I think it can. So that's what this series is here to answer. Let me show you exactly what this looks like before we get into the journey. So the first step is an AI receptionist, and I'll walk you through exactly how I'm going to set this up for local businesses. I'm going to come up here and search in Google Maps, and after doing some research, there's a couple businesses that I know I could sell this to extremely easily. First one is going to be Raytown Plumbing. These guys have only 34 reviews. They're 4.6 stars. They don't have a website. Am I going to use the website as the foot in the door? Probably. And that way I can get their attention and I can add on the AI receptionist and the review automation, and I would charge them about $500 a month for that. My offer is going to be giving them at least a 14-day or 30-day trial to the software so that they can have real conviction that it actually works and be committed long-term to that $500 a month. So the way to set this up is we're going to come down here and hit share, copy the link, and I've explained this in my other videos, but we're just going to have Ask AI create me an AI receptionist with this prompt. It says create an AI voice agent using this Google business profile link as the knowledge base. Hit enter. This is going to be the AI that answers the calls, and this is what that $500 a month delivers. So it's not complicated. That's actually the point, is it's going to be extremely simple for them. So I'll show you what it looks like once it's built. Normally takes about 2 to 3 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to show you the review automation. So a couple things. First thing I want to do is I want to come down here to automation, and I'm going to hit create a new workflow, and I'm going to select from template, and I'm going to search up AI reviews, and I'm going to choose the recipe, send review request. This one's amazing. It already sets up the trigger. When somebody says that a deal is won or has a tag that says send review request, then I'm automatically going to send them a text message asking for a review, wait 60 minutes, send them an email. This is as basic as it gets. I'm going to expound on this to make sure that we get reviews. Once that's completed, come back to your reputation tab, click on settings. In this reviews AI section, we're going to want to integrate their Google business profile. And to do that, you just come over here and hit on Google and click connect, and you type in your email and your password that are associated with your Google business profile. Now they can come in and they can connect all these other platforms if they would like. This is a demo account. On a real account, I'm probably only going to allow them to connect their Google business profile because that's what they're paying me for. All this stuff can just get confusing for them. So once you connect that, go back and we're going to want to create an AI agent that is going to respond to every review that a customer posts, because this is going to increase how well they're showing up online on Google, because Google wants to send people to businesses that are replying to their customers that look legit and whose customers have had an amazing experience so far. So to create this agent, you can either choose to start from scratch. I'm going to choose gray space and hit proceed. Now I can give it instructions, I can give it a different name, and I can select the tone of the agent to either be empathetic, professional, and I can go to the review type and I can have gray space only reply to reviews that are 2 stars or less. And for 2 stars or less, I want to be solution oriented or empathetic. But for a 5-star review, I want to be grateful and professional or grateful and friendly. Whatever your business owner prefers, that's what we're going to set up. So go ahead and hit save and we'll be able to connect this AI agent to the business that we're working with. Now you'll want to come in here and set up your custom link that you'll send to customers so that they can leave this review. We'll set up the SMS templates, so how we're going to want to reach out to our customers, what we want to say. Same thing with your email requests. And then if we want to set up a QR code if they have a brick and mortar so that people can just scan this and leave a review. Now back to the AI voice agent. It's created our Raytown Plumbing voice agent. I'm going to go ahead and hit yes. And behind the scenes, I'm going to go in and I'm going to make this AI agent so good that you'll barely be able to tell that it is AI. With a simple prompt like this, you can get it created, but there's going to be some fine tuning and I can show you guys how to do that in another video. So once it's created, first thing is we want to attach a new phone number, set its working hours, add a post-call workflow. So if they do book an appointment, send them a confirmation email, and most importantly, create a new contact in the CRM to gather their information as a new lead. And then we'll want to go ahead and test the agent, which you can do so by going over here to AI agents, click on voice AI, agent list. So we'll want to change the name from this AI agent to something like Sarah, and the business name is correct. You can go through and change the language. There are dozens of different languages that this AI agent can speak. The type of voice, I always have Jessica, along with being able to change the voice model and the LLM model. We're just going to use GPT-4o. And then the initial message when somebody calls, it says, "Thank you for calling Raytown Plumbing. I'm your virtual assistant. How can I help you today?" Now we can go ahead and hit advanced settings and go in and change the maximum call time to about 5 minutes, the idle time and reminder frequency. The AI agent will remind the contact after a fixed time of silence during the call. We can set that to 8 seconds at least one time. Agent behavior, response speed, interruption sensitivity, the temperature of the LLM, basically how creative the AI can be. I'm going to set this to 0.5 and then I'm going to enable back channeling to help the AI agent sound more like a person. Set that to 0.5. Transcription and speech settings, we're going to want to be accurate, general vocabulary versus medical, and then go ahead and hit confirm. Come over here to agent goals. This is where we're going to want to select a knowledge base to create. I'm going to choose demo 3 just for this demo, but if you want to create your own, come over here and click on create new, which is going to bring up this page to create a new knowledge base. So hit create new knowledge base, put a name on it and hit add. And I'm going to come over here to web crawler and I'm going to add a website. And this is where if they have a website, you're going to go find that website and enter that in and hit train this page. It's going to go ahead and crawl through all the information from that website so that the AI has some knowledge behind it. Now, once that's done, come back and click on that knowledge base. We want to collect the name, email, address, the contact's issue, trigger a workflow when the call is complete, choose the workflow that you'd like to trigger. And then once the call is finished, an email notification is going to be sent post-call to all the admins on this account. Now, once we do that, come over here and we're going to hit buy a new number. It's like $1 for a new number. It's not a big deal. Choose that, or you can connect the business owner's number to your AI agent. And I'll show you how to do that in another video. Once you've done all that, come over here and hit save, and then let's test this baby out.
Thank you for calling Raytown Plumbing. I'm your virtual assistant. How can I help you today?
Yeah, my water heater it turned off. So for some reason, I'm just getting cold water now, and it's not turning back on.
That sounds frustrating. Let's get this sorted out. A team member will need to check that for you. Could I grab your contact details so they can follow up with you promptly?
Yeah, it's Noah is my name. My phone number is 555 555-345-555, and my address is 123 Main Street.
Thanks, Noah. Just to confirm, your phone number is 555-345-5555, and your address is 123 Main Street, right?
Yep.
Perfect, Noah. I've got all the details. A team member will reach out to help you with your water heater issue shortly. Thanks for calling, and I hope your day gets better.
So what needs to happen is they need to book an appointment. So I'll show you how to connect the calendar in another video, but that is what I'm going to be selling. It's not complicated, and that is the point. So here's where I'm at today. 0 GoHighLevel clients. The account's set up, offers clear, and this week I'm going to be reaching out to tons of local businesses to be able to run a live demo on this AI receptionist and show them how the review automation is going to work. Whatever happens, I'll be showing you guys in the next video. And if you want to follow along, subscribe and hit the bell because I'm posting every step of how I'm going to be doing this. The next video is going to be about real outreach, no script polished, no cherry picked calls, just what actually happens when I go out and pitch this thing for the first time. And if you are wanting to build something like this, there's a link in my bio where you can get a 30-day free trial for GoHighLevel so that we can do this together. And I'm also creating a community that will be down in the description within the week or so. So feel free to join and let's build together. I'll see you in the next one.